Welcome to ICSC Help YouTube channel. Yesterday we have uploaded the video of periodic table part first, in which we have given the introduction about the periodic table and the contribution of scientists by which the new form, long form of periodic table came into existence. Now we will discuss about the periodic properties of this chapter, which is very important. Periodic properties. First of all, what is the region of periodicity? What is the region of periodicity? The region of periodicity. You have know that the valence electron present in valence cell, valence electron present in valence cell is the main region of periodicity. Suppose that this is the sodium, and you know that the sodium 11, the first cell 281, at the last cell there is 1 electron, and in magnesium 12 282, at last cell, I means valence cell, there are 2 electrons. So the region of periodicity is 1, and there is the region of periodicity 2, and all the elements in which the valence electron is 1 at the last, then it will be same properties, so like sodium, and same the valence electron 2 in which element, and they will show the properties of magnesium, because the valence electron present in valence cell is the main region of periodicity. So the repetition of period has been occurred due to same valence electron in the group. First of all, you know that the many physical and chemical properties are repeated after regular interval of time in periodic table, and this become very easy to systematic study of periodic table. First of all, the periodic properties. Periodic properties. There are many periodic properties in which the properties of element gradually increase or decrease one by one. First of all, number 1, atomic size. First periodic property, atomic size. Atomic size is the distance between the nucleus and the outer cell. Distance between the nucleus and the outer cell is known as atomic size. The atomic size is depend upon the number of cells present in the atom. If there is a great number of cells, then the size is increased, and if there is less number of cells, then size decrease. So in the group from up to down, the size increase. The size increase because number of cell increase. Hydrogen has only 1 number of cell, while lithium has 2 number of cell, and sodium has 3 number of cell, and so the size of this atom has been increased. And ongoing period the size decrease, because new cell not produced in cell. If there is third group, third period, then all the element has only 3 cells in this period. If there is second period, then all the element has 2 in their period, and if there is fourth period, then all the element has 4 cells in their period. But the new nucleus charge has increased. The nuclear charge has been increased after jumping 1 by 1 to right side, and the new electron also add to the outer shell, and this plus and minus reduce the size of atom, and hence in period the size is decreased. The size has been decreased. So what are the main factor depend atomic size? The main factor depend atomic size. First of all, factor for size is number one, number of cell, more size, less cell, less size, and second nuclear charge, more charge, less size, less charge, more size. This is the first periodic property is atomic size. The second property is ionization energy. Ionization energy. The second property, ionization energy. What is ionization energy? The ionization energy is the amount of energy required to remove one electron from valence shell by a gaseous atom. Amount of energy required. What energy required to remove one electron from valence shell of a gaseous atom is known as ionization energy. You know that ionization energy in a group decrease but increase. Group in a group it decrease and in period increase. What is the reason of this? Because group in group decrease ionization, because there is very less size and this is very heavy size. Due to heavy size, the electron remove automatically, because there is a distance from nucleus to outer electron, and electron could be removal by less energy, while in first cell the electron is present in K cell and nucleus is very near, and so extra energy is required to remove one electron. So this has more energy to remove one electron, but at below this has less energy to remove one electron, and so in going down to group the ionization energy decrease, but in period ionization energy increase, because the electronic configuration of lithium is 2 and 1, and this electron want to remove one electron automatically without any energy, but electronic configuration of fluorine 9 is 2 and 7, and fluorine does not want to remove one electron because it has lost in one electron to complete their octet. So it want to gain electron, and it will be remove electron only by high amount of energy requirement. So the ionization energy of this element is more and ionization of this energy is less, and so the ionization energy of period increase from left to right. The third point is electron affinity. Electron affinity. The third point, electron affinity. What is electron affinity? The amount of energy released. The amount of energy released when an atom accepts electron. When an atom accepts electron toward itself, then amount of energy released by these atoms is known as electron affinity. You know that the electron affinity is decrease in the group. Electron affinity decrease in the group it is decreases, and in period it is increases. What is the reason of this group and period decrease and increase? Because electron affinity it depends upon two factors. First of all, size of nucleus, and the second, nuclear charge. The factor is very important in ICSE because you know that the factor, if factor is not given, then you cannot guess about the decrease or increase. And the fourth topic is electronegativity. Electronegativity. Electronegativity means the tendency to attract electron toward itself is known as electronegativity. You know that this side fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, bromine are one to one electron in their valence shell because they have only one less electron from nearest inorganic configuration. So these have great tendency to attract electron toward itself. So in the period the electronegativity increase from left to right. So in the period electronegativity increase in electronegativity in period increase. What is the reason of this increase? Because the fluorine and oxygen want to 1 electron and oxygen want to 2 electron, nitrogen want to 3 electron to complete their octet. While in group the electronegativity decrease. What is the reason of this decreaseness? Because the size is increased and nucleus has no power to attract electron toward itself from a farthest point. And the next point of chemical property is the metallic character. What is metallic character? Metallic character is the next point of periodic property. If any atom has 1, 2 or 3 electron in their valence shell, then it is known as metal. You know that first A group, second A group and third A group are metal. First A group, second A group, third B, fourth B are metal, and these atoms want to remove 1, 2 or 3 electrons from their outer shell, so these are metal. But this side group, oxygen and fluorine, do not want to remove 1 electron, but they want to accept electron, so it is not metal. Hence these are metal and these are non-metal. Hence metallic properties decrease from left to right in the period decrease, and in case of group it is increased. Why increase? Because tendency of removing 1, 2 or 3 electron is more because size is increased, and due to large size nucleus is very farthest point from outer shell and the electron can easily remove from valence electron. So in group the metallic character is increased. Next point is non-metallic character. Non-metallic character. Non-metallic character is just opposite to metallic character. You know that this side element is metal and this side element is non-metal. So on going from left to right, the non-metallic character increase. In period it is increased. While in group on going down from top to bottom, the non-metallic character decrease. The reason of this is the distance from farthest point of outer shell and nucleus is very more. And the next point is number of valency. The valency it depends on the valence electron. Valency depends on valence electron. First of all, you should know the valence electron. Valence electron. You know that first has 1 valence electron, it has 2, it has 3 and it has 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 valence electron. So on going period the valence electron increase from left to right. So the valence electron in going period increase from left to right, and if there is a third period, the valence electron is same in the group, and so in down the group it is same, valence electron is same. The next point is valency. Valency, it depends on valence electron. You know that the every element want to complete their octet rule by gaining electron or transferring electron or by sharing electron, by accepting electron. So this first group has only one electron in their valence shell, only one electron in their valence shell, and this has two electron in valence shell, and these elements have three electron in their valence shell, and four, and these have 5, 6, 7, and this has 8 electron in their valence shell. How can they valency affected? If valence electron 1, then valency 1. If valence electron 2, then valency 2. And if valence electron 3, then valency 3. And if valence electron 4, then valency 4. But if 5, then valency is 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. If 6, 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. If 7, 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. And if 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. Because so it means the valency first increase and then decrease in the period. In the period, valency first increase and then decrease and then decrease. While in group, the valence electron is same within the group, so valency remains same. Two properties also left, the acidic character and basic character. It is just same because the metallic property is just same as basic character. Because metal are soluble with water and become basic properties, while basic character, acidic character are non-metal property. It is just same to metal and non-metal. The chapter has been completed. To solve the theory questions of this chapter, please visit icsehelp.com, and we will provide the next video to next day. Thank you. Please like it, share it.